You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to enable dark mode in Google Docs on your computer and mobile app. On your computer, open a web browser and go to docs.google.com. Open any document. Google Docs does not have a built-in dark theme for the document editing area itself. However, you can enable a system-wide dark mode that affects the menus. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Appearance, and select Dark Theme. This will turn the toolbars and side panels dark, but the document canvas will remain white. For a true dark canvas, you need an extension like Dark Reader from the Chrome Web Store. On your mobile phone, open the Google Docs app, tap the menu icon in the top left, tap Settings, tap Theme, select Dark. This will change the entire app interface, including your document background, to a dark gray. The text will become light for contrast. This is much easier on the eyes in low light conditions. You can switch back to light or system default at any time from the same menu. The mobile app provides the best native dark mode experience for Google Docs. For more simple productivity tutorials, subscribe to the channel.